What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to flip a video in Camtasia. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to do like whatever video editing, right, and you're trying to essentially flip a video, like I'm going to use this one that you're seeing over here as an example, essentially because there might be some specific reason that you're trying to do this for, and if you want to essentially flip this video, the easiest way to, or mirror is the best way to say it, is the easiest way to do this is once you're on your media screen here, you're going to see your video section that you're seeing over here. You can have your visual, your cursor, and like your, again, video section itself of it on the right hand side of your Camtasia screen. In here, what you need to do, where you see the rotation section, you can actually just like drag this, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. It's the middle one. So this one rotates it, this one flips it. So if you're trying to make it upside down to mirror it, it's essentially this one, the middle one. And in here, all you do is 180 degrees. You can see, again, because this is textual, so you're seeing all the text technically flip as well, but this is how you essentially flip or mirror the screen itself. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you need to do. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please remember, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.